Welcome to the massive industrial site where we assemble the world's largest mega cranes for global port terminal operations today. These giants are essential for modern logistics, moving thousands of shipping containers every single day with precision and immense power. The assembly process begins with the arrival of massive steel components shipped from specialized manufacturing facilities across the vast ocean. High-capacity mobile cranes are deployed first to unload these heavy sections, setting the foundation for the construction of the giant. Engineers meticulously inspect every weld and bolt, ensuring the structural integrity is perfect before the vertical assembly phase can begin. The first stage involves positioning the massive gantry frames, which serve as the primary support structure for the entire machine. Huge hydraulic jacks are used to level the base tracks, ensuring the crane can move smoothly along the dockside rails. Next, the lower legs are hoisted into place, requiring extreme coordination between the ground crew and the crane operators above. These legs are secured using hundreds of high-tension bolts, tightened to exact specifications using specialized industrial torque wrench equipment. Temporary bracing is installed to stabilize the structure as it grows taller, protecting it against high winds and coastal weather. The midsection of the frame is now lifted, connecting the legs and forming the archway that spans over the vessels. Precision alignment is critical here, as even a millimeter of deviation could cause catastrophic failure during heavy lifting operations later. Now we witness the lifting of the main machinery house, which contains the powerful motors and control systems for operation. This heavy unit is hoisted hundreds of feet into the air, a delicate operation requiring calm weather and expert precision. Inside the machinery house, technicians begin wiring the complex electrical systems that will power the hoist and the trolley movements. The massive boom, or the arm of the crane, is assembled on the ground first before its final dramatic lift. This boom is several hundred feet long, designed to reach across the widest container ships currently sailing the global oceans. Tandem lifts are often required, where two cranes work in perfect synchronization to raise the massive boom into its hinge. Once the hinge pins are secured, the boom is connected to the forestay cables that will support its weight during use. The trolley system, which travels along the boom to pick up containers, is then installed and tested for smooth motion. High-tensile steel wire ropes are threaded through a complex series of sheaves, connecting the hoist drums to the spreader bar. The spreader bar is the business end of the crane, featuring twist locks that securely grab the corners of shipping containers. Now the operator's cabin is attached, offering a panoramic view of the terminal and the ships for the skilled pilots. Advanced cameras and sensors are installed around the crane to provide the operator with a complete view of their surroundings. Power is finally connected to the main grid, and the initial system diagnostics are run to check for any errors. The first movements are slow and deliberate, testing the motors, brakes, and safety limit switches in a controlled environment. Engineers monitor the heat levels in the gearboxes and the tension in the cables during these crucial preliminary test runs. Load testing begins using water weights or heavy concrete blocks to simulate the maximum capacity of the massive crane system. The structure is monitored for any signs of excessive vibration or stress while lifting these extreme loads during the certification. Once the static tests pass, dynamic tests are performed, moving the load at full speed to ensure operational efficiency. Painting and anti-corrosion coatings are touched up to protect the steel from the harsh, salty environment of the port terminal. Final inspections are conducted by maritime safety authorities to certify the crane for official commercial use in the busy port. Training sessions for the local operators begin as they learn the specific controls and software of this new industrial marvel. These cranes are often semi-automated, utilizing GPS and laser scanning to optimize the path of every single container moved. After months of assembly and testing, the mega crane is finally ready to join the fleet of machines at the terminal. It stands as a testament to modern engineering, capable of handling the largest ships in the world with incredible speed. The port is now better equipped to handle global trade, ensuring goods reach their destinations faster and more efficiently than before. Thank you for watching this full assembly process. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of massive industrial engineering.